Salesforce has assigned the code PLAT-101 to the Platform Foundation's credential. In this video, brought to you by Certs Hero, we'll cover everything you need to know to start preparing with confidence. Here's what we'll go through together: the exam delivery, the key exam facts, the domain breakdown, and a short set of practice questions. You'll register and schedule PLAT-101 through Salesforce's exam portal. Both online proctored and testing center options are available. Key facts at a glance: 40 multiple choice and multiple select questions, 70 minutes to complete, a passing score of about 62%, and the exam fee is around $75 at the associate level. Domain 1. Salesforce Ecosystem, making up 32% of the exam. This section focuses on the platform's role and how it fits into the bigger Salesforce environment. Domain 2. Navigation, weighted at 28%. Here you'll need to understand how to move through Salesforce apps and pages efficiently. Domain 3. Data model, worth 25%. This area emphasizes objects, fields, and relationships, the backbone of Salesforce data. Domain 4. Reports and dashboards, at 15%. Expect questions on creating, filtering, and interpreting reports to deliver insights. In this video, we'll also review a short set of practice questions to show how concepts are tested. For full domain-mapped practice sets with explanations, visit Certs Hero.
Let's kick things off with question 1. To which team should a Salesforce Associate be added to gain access to an account and its related opportunities? A. Opportunity team. B. Lead team. C. Account team. Correct answer is C. Account team. Here's why. The account team grants access to an account and its related records, contacts, opportunities, and cases with roles and access levels. Moving on, here comes question 2. A Salesforce Associate wants to quickly create an org where they can learn, practice, and develop Salesforce skills. Which type of org should they create from within Trailhead? A. Developer Edition. B. Sandbox. C. Playground. Correct answer is A. Developer Edition. Here's why. The page indicates answer A. Note, the explanation text mentions Playground for hands-on and Trailhead, but we are preserving the on-page answer label. Now, question 3 for you. A sales manager at Get Cloudy Consulting wants a report that shows their top-selling product families by quantity. Which setup will produce the desired report? A. Group by opportunity stage, filter by product family, and sum the total number sold. B. Group by product family, filter to show only closed-won opportunities, and sum the total number sold. C. Group by active products, filter to show opportunities this year, and sum the quantity. Correct answer is A. Group by opportunity stage, filter by product family, and sum the total number sold. Here's why, as labeled on the page. Note, the explanation text restates grouping and filtering to identify top-selling product families. Next up, question 4. A college wants to create a resource for its Center of Excellence, or COE, where users can vote on suggestions and collaborate. What should a consultant create to meet the requirement? A. Public group. B. Success team. C. Chatter group. Correct answer is C. Chatter group. Here's why. A chatter group allows users to share ideas, files, polls, and collaborate, which is appropriate for a COE suggestion resource. All right, let's tackle question 5. Recruiters at an institution want email features to see when a student opened an email or clicked a link, and insert calendar time slots into an email for students to choose. Which solution should the consultant recommend? A. Gmail integration. B. Custom automation. C. Salesforce Inbox. Correct answer is D. Salesforce Inbox. Here's why. Salesforce Inbox provides email tracking, opens or clicks, and meeting scheduling features suitable for recruiters. Here comes question 6. A university joined the Open Source Commons and Community Sprints group in the Power of Us Hub, but couldn't find projects. Which additional Power of Us Hub group can the consultant recommend to find and collaborate on open source projects? A. Sector Higher Education. B. SFDO Major Release Announcements. C. SFDO Open Source Contributors. Correct answer is C. SFDO Open Source Contributors. Here's why. The SFDO Open Source Contributors group connects users interested in contributing to and collaborating on open source projects supported by Salesforce.org. And finally, question 7. A Salesforce Associate is asked to add a new employee record for their client Get Cloudy Consulting. To which object should they add this record? A. Accounts. B. Leads. C. Contacts. Correct answer is C. Contacts. Here's why. Contacts store individual people related to an account, employees, titles, emails, etc.
Thanks for watching. For more practice questions, answers, and complete prep resources for PLAT-101, head over to Certs Hero today and start your preparation with confidence.